handmade, computer sheets, super clay, cutter, cardboard, a glue, a scissor. So let's start to repair it. I was very surprised to see these cute little cutters. I loved them so much that I thought of making them. So let's make them together. Please subscribe if you like my crafts. Thank you. If you are from India, then like, and if you are from Pakistan, then subscribe. Thanks for watching.